or the full, the total. The choice is yours. But be very clear on these things. My teachings are in black and white. They are written. Absolutely clear. I do not entertain any hypocrisy about financial freedom. All along I had been teaching all my students financial freedom first. I never taught sannyas, never escapism, no saffron drops. Be part of the world wherever you are, become stronger. But don't allow the world to enter you. Don't get touch of the world. It's like your boat is in the water. But that water should not enter in the boat. Otherwise your boat will sink. That is the right spirituality. The healthy spirituality. We need healthy spirituality for our children, for ourselves, for our friends, for our family members. We don't want sick mentality. We don't want escapist mentality. So never ever entertain any hypocrisy. What is important is strike the balance. A very healthy spirituality. You will become Purna Purushottam like Krishna, like King Janak. King Janak was already a king, and this sage Ashtavakra came. Just while talking, it's called Janak Ashtavakra Samvad. That's what the Ashtavakra Gita is. Just while talking, King Janak got enlightened. Now after enlightenment, King Janak did not run away and went to jungle. Why? People go to jungle for sadhana. He got enlightened there only. After enlightenment, he continued. But he was not taking the touch of that king. He was not involved. He was not attached. And he became a better king. So an enlightened businessman will become better businessman. An enlightened manager will become a better manager. An enlightened parent will become a better parent. That's what we need. Wherever you are, you will become better. That is the right approach. So always practice healthy spirituality. Do not entertain hypocrisy in the name of spirituality. All those people who have entertained hypocrisy in the name of spirituality, they have suffered badly. And we have ample cases. Alright? So always aim towards enlightened billionaire. You will be very happy. That is the path of Lord Krishna. That is the path of King Janak. Everybody become affluent materially and also affluent spiritually. That is the right combination. That is the healthy combination, and that is the healthy spirituality. In fact, enlightened billionaire is the essence of my teachings. We want a complete healthy human being on the planet Earth. A business person, affluent person who is not spiritual is not complete. A sannyasi who is not resourceful is not complete. Both are sick. That is a sick mentality. They are not healthy. Only the enlightened billionaire is healthy, total, integrated human being, independent to express and do what he enjoys. We want such healthy approach on this planet Earth. Planet Earth needs healing. The people around need healing. People need healthy approach. This is the healthy spirituality which is wanted by the modern man. There is no guilt as far as the affluence is concerned. But person will walk the path of spirituality, will get enlightened, will have eyes to see, and will also have strong legs to walk. We need both. We need eyes of spirituality and we need leg of material world. Only such a healthy individual can be happy, can be integrated, can be total. We need that total individual on the planet Earth, and everybody must become that. Otherwise, the life is like a broken bamboo. That cannot be joyous. You cannot be happy with half-hearted things. So, I welcome all of you to become enlightened billionaire. Go to the peak of affluence in every sense and enjoy the richness of life. That is the healthy spirituality we need. Everybody must follow this healthy spirituality, not the sick mentality of escapism. And we need to give our children this healthy spirituality, not escapist mentality. Only then there can be happiness on this planet Earth. Our conscious choice can create heaven on earth. Heaven on earth is possible. We create right now, right here. Say yes to this and you create heaven psychologically. Resourceful people are there. But you have to open your eyes to the spiritual insights. That's how it is possible to create heaven on earth. Can a beggar create heaven on earth who has no resources? Impossible. So you have to say yes to affluence. Only an affluent person can create heaven on earth. But you will not be affluent if you are not rich enough spiritually. You will not be able to enjoy. So, the balance of both is only healthy. Any unbalance, escaping this way or that way, both are unhealthy. Strike the balance and be a healthy person. That is what is wanted on planet Earth.